Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing chocolate cheesecake. Unleash the child in you with this homemade chocolate cheesecake, which is rich, moist, and delectable and can be made using very few ingredients. Please check the description section for the details. I have chopped semi-sweet chocolate. Now I'm chopping the milk chocolate. Then I'll be putting up in a micro-safe bowl and microwave it for 30 seconds. Stir it and continue microwaving till it is melted. I will powder the digestive biscuits and transfer it into a baking dish. Then I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter, followed by half a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it and put it in the refrigerator for half an hour so that it sets firmly. The cream cheese is at room temperature. I'll start whisking it. To this, I'll add the melted chocolate. Mix it. Then I'll be breaking 1 egg into the bowl, followed by adding half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it and our cheesecake batter is ready. This I will pour over the biscuit crust. Even it as much as possible and then put it in the oven which is preheated. I'll set up the temperature now to 180 degrees and heat it for 10 minutes. Once the cake starts leaving the sides of the baking dish, it is done. Put up the cheesecake in the fridge for around 1 hour. Then you can cut it and top it up with the frosting of your choice and the fresh fruits of your choice, and it will be ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this interesting recipe and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos.